Hey guys, today's video is going to be my Boxycharm unboxing. I'm going to be unboxing the regular box and the premium box. Let's do this quick. I got my kids playing outside. My oldest is watching them. I'm looking at them out the window. We got like 10 minutes. Okay, here we go. I'm not even going to explain what Boxycharm is because if you don't know, then you're living in a different world. Okay, Sweet Treats is the theme for freaking April. Sweet Treats. I got variation C21041010-BA. I think BA means base. I think that's what somebody told me in a previous video. Okay, first thing is the Natasha Denona Jubilee Eyeshadow Palette. This retails for $48. You know, I like a couple of these colors. There's that. Don't really need to read about an eyeshadow palette because y'all know what it does. I like this color. I like this color. Ooh, my nails. I'll try them all out except for this guy. This guy looks, I don't know. I don't like pink on my lids. Not really a fan. Okay, next thing. Dragon Beauty, Nikita Dragon. Not a fan of her because she like thinks it's cool to go out and like party in the middle of a pandemic. Yeah, so cool. I don't have to wear a mask. So cool. This isn't even worth talking about. Dragon Beauty friggin', what even is this? I don't know. Color corrector in the color lavender retails for $25. Honestly, I really do not like her, so I'm not even gonna. All right, moving on. Laura Geller, iconic baked sculpting lipstick metallic in the color Battery Park Bronze. Ooh. This retails for $21. Artisan baked pigments and rich moisturizers saturate lips with creamy, vibrant color that feels weightless and lasts all day. Check it out. Laura Geller. Oh, that is a bronze. Oh, my nails, you guys, they're so bad. I'm totally doing them tonight. I don't know why I smelled it. That's a pretty color. Oh, yes, I like it. Okay, Earth Harbor Naturals. This is the Aurora Superfood Luminance Ampoule. I don't know. What is this? Give your face illuminating superfood nutrition with harmonizing sea greens and cannabis, sativa hemp oil, plus pacifying grapeseed oil and neem seed extract. This retails for $32. I don't know. What is this? Is this a moisturizer, a primer, a what, a wheat, a what, a hut, a woo? I don't know. Add 2 or more drops to your skin after cleansing and toning as needed. Okay. All right. And the last thing in the base box is, where's my card? What is this? Terre de Mars. This is an organic, low foaming, aromatic, and soft cleanser suitable for all skin types. Retails for $22. Okay. All right. That was everything that's in the base box. Now let's go. Oh, my thoughts on this. Yeah, I'm excited for the, where did it even go? The lipstick. You know, I'll use some of these colors. Dragon Beauty can kiss my ace. What was this again? Cleanser. We'll try this. And then this guy. Yeah, sure, we'll try. The premium box. The premium box. Okay, I got variation C21042112. Oh, was there something big in here? What is this? Reusable bamboo cotton makeup removal pads. These are from Lux and Willow. Retails for $20. Okay. Microbial and hypoallergenic reusable bamboo pads. Reusable. Where'd they go? Oh. Okay. Ooh. I use makeup wipes, though. I'm using makeup remover wipes. I could be more green and use these. But then I would need, what was like shit flying everywhere. Literally, do you see it? Flying everywhere? Holy shazazah. Yeah, then I would need to get like a liquid makeup remover, like the micellar water. Do people still use the micellar water makeup remover? Actually, I've used it a couple times and I do like it, so. All right, next. This is from Incredible. My mom has a lip gloss from them that she freaking loves. I got it in I think it was a Boxycharm, and I gave it to her and she loved it, and she's had it for like 2 years. I'm like, Mom, it's time to buy you a new one. So I bought her a new one recently and she loves it. So this is Nails Inc. Why does this say Nails Inc? Isn't that a company? And then Incredible Cosmetics is a company. I don't know. What are these? They are the glossiest roller balls to date. They have landed with a crystal roller ball to cool and soothe lips. Oh, this is for your lips. But why does it say Nails Inc on it? I'm confused. Is that like the Mama company? It is. The Mama company is Nails Inc. And then Incredible. Or maybe they're ripping off. No, it says Incredible Cosmetics right here. I'm confused. I don't know what's going on. Anyway, 2 lip glosses. It's a duo. It's a duo. Oh, there's like shit in them. Yeah, I remember the one that I got her had like, not literal shit in it, but it had thingies in it, and there's thingies in these ones. Okay. Ooh. I might give these to her. This is from Dose of Colors. Dose of Colors. This is an eyeliner. Yes, it's an eyeliner in the color Maybe Baby. This retails for, oh, hold on, backing up. The freaking makeup removal pads retail for $22. No, $20. Did I tell you? The roller balls, $24, and this is $15. I think it's a green color. I don't have green eyeliner, do I? I don't know. I did a goo hoarding. Ooh. I did a goo hoarding purge recently. And I got rid of, oh yeah, this is like an olive green. Ooh, I'm excited. Yes, 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 yes. Okay, next. Did I even finish my sentence I was telling you guys? No, I did a like a makeup purge recently and threw away a shit ton of eyeliners. Okay, this is, oh, a Fenty Beauty by Riri. Does she still go by Riri, or is that like so 2007 or later than that? Anyway, what is this? This is a primer. Damn it, I thought it was foundation. This is the Pro Filter Instant Retouch Primer. Retails for $32. And the color Soft Matte. I don't use a primer. My skin, actually I have nothing on my skin right now. I'm just wearing lashes and I did a little something to my eyebrows. I don't have anything on my skin because it's really nice out. Where did my kids go? Anyway, you know, I'll try it. I do have huge, ginormous pores. You guys are probably, you can probably see it right now. You're probably like, whoa, Vanessa, whoa, I can go swimming in your pores. They're so big. Okay. This is Nars Blush. Ooh, I hope it's a good color. It's in the color Gaiety. Retails for $30. It's a blush. I bet it's going to be a bright pink color. I don't really wear blush. If I did wear a blush, it would be like a peachy nude. But that like defeats the purpose of blush if it's like nude. Do they even make nude blushes? I don't know. I told you it's a bright ass pink color. Whoa, it's like totally washed out on camera, but I promise it is super bright pink. I don't like that color on my face. What is this? This is a huge palette from Iconic London. This is the Sunset to Sunrise Eyeshadow Palette. Retails for $62. It's the perfect summer companion. 20 highly pigmented shadows. Okay, 20. Oops, chuck that. Oh, look at this packaging. It's like, woo! Am I blinding you? Am I blinding you guys? Okay. Oh, okay. Okay, yeah, okay. Ooh, there's a bright yellow in here. Guys, yes, I like these colors. Yes, yes, yes. Okay, I'm excited. I rarely wear eyeshadow, but I'm excited for these colors. I really am. And this is freaking huge. This mirror is like the size of my head. Like, hello, whoa, hey, ooh, I can almost get a full body shot in that mirror. Okay. I like the premium box better than the base box for sure. I'm really excited about this palette. I'm excited about this eyeliner. This Nars Blush, not my color. I'm excited to give these to my mama. And this Fenty primer, I'm gonna try it because like I said, oh wait, and these too. Okay, so that was everything that I got in my April base and premium Boxycharm box. If you want to sign up for Boxycharm, I'll have a link down below. I no longer get a commission from Boxycharm because the state I live in doesn't support it anymore. I don't know, I got an email from them saying, we can no longer offer you commission because of the state that you live in. I'm like, I've been getting commission from you guys for 6.5 years. Like, this is crazy. Like, what changed? Anyway, I don't really care about that anyway, but I just thought I'd mention that. Okay. All right, that is it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Okay, bye.